Guys, I just wanted to mention this is going to be a light restoration. I don't have all the time in the world to be giving this particular bike, but it is worthy of the cleanup it's going to get. So let's go ahead and get to it. Now guys, you're probably wondering why I am breaking these down. It's for a fact this whole chrome, this rusted ring is supposed to be chrome, and I wanted to clean that, all that rusted poop off the cranks. So we'll get that over here in this tub. We're going to leave it together as one. I'm going to put it in so that it's on top of that drain, and I can get my oxalic acid on there. What else do we got? This chrome that can go in there. We got the bars. So yeah, we'll probably get the bars in there now. Do I wanna? Yeah. See, the kickstand's junk anyway. Guys, we got these HUFFY bars, and we're gonna throw them in because there's just some areas that need to be cleaned up. I probably could have just got these pretty clean with the steel wool, but I'm looking for a reason to run an acid bath, so here we go. Remember that area there? We'll see what that looks like tomorrow. And drop these in. Best way possible. And we're set. Where are they? There they are. See if we can set this thing up somewhere. While we're waiting for that tub to fill up there, we can take a little time and look at this frame. It's a 99 diesel, and it's in pretty good shape. I got this from an Asian woman, and it was his son's. She said he really loved it. I don't know if he had any knowledge of 90s BMX, but this was not very desirable by anybody. My brother actually had the chrome 99 HUFFY diesel, and I ruined it on him. We'll get into that later on in this story here. And HUFFY in the back there. I mean, this is what you're coming to see, though. It is very clean underneath all that dirt, and we're gonna get to that. We're gonna make it look real nice again. We're filling up. We're using warm water. We are getting there, guys. This will not hurt your stickers. It's just going to clean the chrome. You're going to love this. Alright guys, we're pretty full here. We're going to go ahead and open this up. This is your OA. So this is Florida Laboratories brand oxalic acid. Just in a powder form. You're going to want to take it. I got a little scooper here. Kind of trying to drop it over the areas that you can see. Wait for that to go in. So now that that's in there, close this up. I'm going to cap it. Put it away because it's got to stay kid proof. And I like to take this. Just kind of stir everything up. Stir up all that sediment off the floor there.